Okay, here's a Forestry Commission car park, an excellent car park, and great, yeah, very tall trees here have been left in place. So I'm off to see the Mawddach Waterfalls. Okay, that's where I'm parked, one of the Coed y Brenin forest car parks. Makes a change when the sun's shining. Okay, you are here. Here we go. Here, there's the. You are here. So, okay. Mawddach Cottage, bed and breakfast and self-catering. Yeah, it's an excellent location here. Yeah. There's the Abbey Mawddach Falls through the trees. Taken a video of these particular falls before. Pistol Leak Cane. Can't see too much of the Abbey Mawddach Falls from this vantage point, and there has been some considerable work been done recently, some kind of hydroelectric works. That's a better view of the Mawddach Falls, right here. A mountain biking map of the showing the trails in the Coed y Brenin Forest Park. You are here. So I'll go for a somewhat longer walk than actually originally planned, and go eventually back to the car park on the opposite side. But I might have to go downstream quite a way to get to a footbridge. Okay, there's a picture of a gold mine as it was next to the falls. Of course, there's only the foundations left now. And here's another good view here of the falls. This is the best view yet, really. There you can see the full falls, more or less. Full extent of the falls. And the other falls, Pistol Leak Cane, is over there, hidden in the trees. Well, that's a good one right there. Excellent. These little rivulets coming down the hillside what keeps keeps the volume of water in the river going. Looks like an old building from the gold mining days over there. Excellent walking footpaths, and I think I'm in luck here. I don't think this is shown on the Ordnance Survey map. This looks like it's a footbridge crossing the river. It must, yeah, so I was expecting to walk at least a mile further downstream and cross a bridge. But this one, look at this. I don't know how long this has been here, but it's not shown on the map. This is excellent. Wow. Yeah, because the walk would have been okay, going that extra distance, but it's mainly woodland, and now there's a good shot of the river there. There's the car park ahead. Look at this standard. Well, excellent pine trees. That's the end of this walk. I'll just take advantage of this very nice weather after the downpour we recently had to have a look at the local abbey. It's not much to look at, but at least, well, it is an abbey, and it's still well, still worth visiting, I expect. But also I'll have a look at the Mawddach. This is the old bridge before the new road was constructed. New road bridge over there. When I say new, it's been around for a few years. There's the Coed y Brenin range over there, and this is something of a whirlpool in this section of the river, where the Mawddach goes under this old stone bridge, and you can see there's a considerable amount of water going through. Although there's more water in this river than there normally is, nothing like it has been on occasion in the past, because you can see by this pebbly section how high up the water rises when you really have, well, the water gets so high that the main road is actually closed. It gets flooded. There's a nice bridge there, an old-fashioned stone bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arches. And I'll just go up now. I had a look at this bridge in the Mawddach, I should say. I wanted to look at this bridge. And I'll go up and have a look at that old Abbey. Abbey. Goes up through this caravan park, a short distance to the Abbey. Okay, I'm just about at the Abbey, and I was just looking at this farmhouse, and I guess it looks like it's been there quite a while, a few centuries. My guess is that most of the stones came from the Abbey over there. It's alright, some work being done here. Okay, here's the Abbey. And it is maintained by, Cadw, I think, the equivalent to English heritage. That's the Abbey in its heyday. Nowhere near as big as most of the Abbeys. And it kind of never really prospered, this particular abbey, but still it's well, it's a little you know, there aren't too many abbeys in this area, so this is pretty good. It's worth visiting. Yeah, it's excellent. Yeah. Complete archways. Okay, you can see by these foundations that the Abbey was a lot bigger than it well now is. Well, the ruined part of it. And yeah, I like it. It's got atmosphere to it. It's well kept off. Yeah. These abbeys, the old monks always put them in excellent locations. But of course, one reason why that never really prospered, not too much in the way of rich farmland around here. So yeah, but it's good though.